spit flows. I just wanna lay tracks down. I just wanna go and rock shows. I just wanna break new ground. I just want room to grow. I just wanna take the ground. I just wanna melt the gold and use the altered states to alternate the route and outputs of consciousness. Devout these hours to my hypothesis. I never stop persisting, though I oscillate between this and that to fill a passport. My carry-ons in a jam sport. Catch it all on a camcorder. A crew of bands to make plans for a tour, build a rapport, write and reword, reap the reward. Listen to beats, get you some sleep, rinse and repeat. I prepare the board. I'm broke, so I sit in coach class. I got a window seat, yeah, it ain't so bad. I put that track on repeat, XD. All I see are squares. I be looking down, I have no idea who's up there. But that's why I pay this airfare, to have a board and a player. Godspeed and we say a prayer. I'm saying peace and I see you there.
I just wanna go and spit flows overseas. I just wanna go and spit flows. I just wanna go and spit flows overseas. I just wanna go and spit flows.
I wanna cop a ticket to spit overseas, not get caught up accidentally for some ovaries. I want some concert footage, not constant bullshit. When I confidently wake up and when I dream, I'm gonna toss my pin up after I cross my T's. Got all of my eyes cross overseas, my flow to the beats, the signature to the bottom line. I'ma sign away the bottoms of my feet, cause I ain't trying to kick it, I'm a motherfucker, I'm a leak. I don't ever wanna stop, wish I never had a seat. I don't even wanna talk if it ain't never a beat. I'm impatient, is that a flop? Something that's gonna keep me from getting stuck at the bottom. Will somebody tell me, do you really want this at all? Or do I gotta repeat? I think you're missing a call, leave a message after the beep. I'm an airplane mode.
I just wanna go,
let's go. I just wanna go and spin flows. I just wanna lay tracks down. And I just wanna go and rock shows. I just wanna break new ground. I just want room to grow. I just wanna take the ground. I just wanna melt the gold and spin flows.
Hands up. Ooh, that's hot. The handle's hot. It's iron. Yeah, it conducts. Yeah.
Lace up my Asics, back to basics, fundamentals. Funding my mental, putting the money where my dental. Giving tied to the tempo when the tax is breaking. When the cash is raked in, ass is shaking. Daps from fake men, it's fascinating how fast it changes from adaptation to advantageous. And I ain't even famous, look, I'm just warming up. Like what the fuck, I ain't done that much. But these fools heard I was in a touring bus. Now they wanna see what's in my corneas. But I told these fools they ain't see nothing. I just might be the next Warren Buffett. If y'all wanna eat, I'll bring the buffet. On my team, better not be any bluffing. Better to team with me and stay productive. Reverah got a regimen, I hit it on the head again. I ain't gon' hand it out to anyone who ain't competitive. I wanna set a trend of an open amongst my brethren and revving in my engine. Engineer the session, I ain't all about the Benjamins. I'm all about the energy like California Edison. The way I speak phonetically, swear I was a veteran. Yeah, what's a sweater to a letterman, huh? Well, I've been on my letters, man. I've been getting better. I've been hardly getting sipping. Opportunity might never come around like this again. You looking at it, go get her. Yeah, I'ma go farther like, yeah, I'ma flow smarter before I'm departed. I'll be regarded as going harder than both Carters. Right now, I'm just warming up. Yeah, I'm just warming up. Yeah, I'm just warming up. Yeah, warming up. Yeah.
$25.8.
Huh? Right now?
$25.8.
Yeah, that's doable.
$25.8. This time. $25.8.
Yeah.
$25.8.
Give that stir first.
$25.8.
Yeah.
Every day I'm up late,
Hey.
doing what I gotta do to make all these goals. A player winning games. All these goals, a nigga winning games. I got it homes to play real estate. If I want it, I'ma cop it anyway. Might not even get a chance to put it on. Too busy putting it on. Every day I'm up late, doing what I gotta do to make all these goals to play winning games. All these goals, a nigga winning games. I got it homes to play real estate. If I want it, I'ma cop it anyway. Might not even get a chance to put it on. Too busy putting on myself, my team. team, my city, my dream, myself again to account for the reinvention that's bound to come about in the ascension. Now put me in the clouds, oh, did I mention that we wasn't about? Let me see your hands up, let me hear the crowd. Trying to get your bands up, let me hear the sound. Wish you think I'm handsome, hit without a doubt. Cool. Going hard in the late night AM. How we working and we ain't got pay yet. Great idea, I get a call from JM, KM. Y'all want it all, do you feel what I'm saying? He was like, yeah, all we need is buzz, I ain't talking like, yeah. Only live with love, I don't give in to fear. You know, objects in the mirror, always bigger than a peer. Every time I switch gears, I veer in lanes, I'm blowing loud, you need a hearing aid. When shawty with me, she and Vera weighing all her peers with hate. Instead of being up late, doing what it takes, so they end up in the place, so they running in place, and no time to hit the brakes. I'm a Curtis Blow, watch me hit him with the brakes. You know, every day I'm up late, doing what I gotta do to make all these goals a player winning games. All these goals a nigga winning games. I got at homes a player real estate. If I want it, I'ma cop it anyway. Might not even get a chance to put it on. Too busy putting on. Putting on, a little too busy, putting on. Putting on, a little too busy, putting on. Every day I'm up late, doing what I gotta do to make all these goals a player winning games. All these goals a nigga winning games. If I want it, I'ma cop it anyway. Hey, if I want it, I'ma cop it anyway. I got at homes to play a real estate. If I want it, I'ma cop it anyway. Might not even get a chance to put it on. Too busy putting on. I veer in lanes, I'm blowing loud, you need a hearing aid. Shawty with me, she and Vera weighing all her peers with hate. Instead of being up late, doing what it takes, so they end up in the place, so they running in place, and no time to hit the brakes. I'm a Curtis Blow, watch me hit him with the brakes. You know.
There's no me without you or vice versa. Who bites first on the bait? Wait, patience needed to reel in to catch this grade. Moving real fast, Kismet. Wonder what this meant. As fate would have it. Understanding passion doesn't need to be translated. If taken at face value, transferred energy remains valuable. Leave a planted seed where it's supposed to be and it's bound to grow. Harvest bountiful, we at the farmer's market, serving our neighbors, fruit of our labor. Dog, you can't find a better bargain. Marginalized we have been, but you leading the march, demanding for a chance in this fight that we can stand in. Got your feet planted, shoes rooted and mood rooted. You've been on both sides of judgment, both times a noose loosened, leaving you to believe in a collective breath we breathe. You come correct with the intent of connecting our destinies. You respect the vessel that speaks a shared message, leverage is key. You ain't sitting at the table till everybody gets a seat. You believe in me like no one else, place everyone above yourself. The vibe I got off you was unlike anything I've ever felt. I will never be the same, a better person I'm compelled to become. Because when you speak, you leave me speechless, I'm overwhelmed. Overnight it's like these open mics have opened up their arms to me. I'm holding tight and I ain't letting go. I'm feeling right at home, I'm rolling out to everyone I know. Sign me up, you're giving me another reason I should come to be inspired by the thing. And what comes up within each other's corner, no dividing us up from the community that's redefining us. What? I've been trying to figure out what this is. Something in between real life and a dream. Caught in the middle, controllers who said you got me thinking that I can do anything. And I know that that's true, but even more so than that, there is no me without you. Without you. Yeah,
That's cool, that's planting seeds, yeah, we planting seeds. Planting seeds, yeah, we planting seeds. Planting seeds, yeah, we planting seeds. Back to our roots. Go! I'm just here for the growth. Woo! That's cool, that's cool, that's cool. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm just here for the trees. Hey, I'm just here to do me. Hey, I'm just here to do me. Hey, increasing the state I'm in. Growing up too fast, now wait a minute. I need to gather my life. I'm feeling so lucky, I'm rolling the dice and running the risk of reaching the ceiling, believing the hype. 2 shots to the Remy, these niggas is mice. They be like, damn, this nigga is nice. Let me correct it, my nigga, I'm cool. Me and my teammates, we do what it do. Making the music that's making you move. Got these little pretty girls making a move. Chunky little bit like I'm making a stew. She's so nutritious, I'm licking a spoon. Enter the flower, discover my roots. My feet are planted with full understanding. I'm sharing the space like I'm next to a planet. So I'ma learn as much as I can when I can from who I can for as long as it improve who I am. I'm a newer man like a Superman. Yo, I'm too advanced, take it too advanced, take 2 to dance, my nigga, that's tandem. People coming up at random like, hey, aren't you the guy? A real suit and tie, mix of super fly, eating soup for my nourishment. You encourage them to flourish when they love and I meaning them. But we pretend it's TMI till you realize what you feel inside is hurting you more than it's hurting them. Yeah, I'm just here for the growth. Woo! That's cool, that's cool, that's cool. Yeah, 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 I'm just here for the trees. I'm just here to do me. Hey, I'm just here to do me. Hey, I'm just trying to figure out exactly what I'm here for. I figure out, start from the beginning. When I was a shorty, all I cared about, glory in the women. My head in the cloud, got me feeling winded. Haters try to doubt, I just give them business. Every time I did, ego starts to feeling. Open up my mouth, got a couple feelings. Maybe it's a candy, living life sugar coated. Wasn't being real, duly noted. Had to get out of my feels and choose to focus. Had to give you that real so you can quote it, give it that.